So the expo just started. My buddy Andrew from Stateside Garage, he invited me to come here. So we're gonna be here today at his booth. I decided to get myself a beer since I'm gonna be here chilling. It's 5 o'clock, we're gonna be here till 10. Then we gotta take everything down. We're gonna drive back home from Portland, which will probably be another 2 hours home. So we'll probably get home around 1 to 2 a.m. tonight. Pretty sick looking Corolla. What do you boys think? Got a little bit of American muscle, guys. Got Scat Pack, Dodge Charger. So I wasn't sure what this thing was over here. I thought maybe it was a Subaru Justy, but it's actually a Toyota Starlet, I believe. This thing's really cool. I don't think I've ever seen one before. Coil pack, distributor, carburetor. Kind of cool. Look at that little engine down there. Those S2000 seats. Can't tell. Left-hand drive. I thought this would be a right-hand drive. So it's a US spec car. I don't know what year it is or anything about it, but it's cool. So we got a little bit of VB WRX action over here, guys. He's got all the plastic side cladding painted. So he's got the front bumper and everything. All this has been repainted, which I think it looks pretty cool. And then this looks like the Aero Flow. No, it's a variant Aero. Kind of cool. So he's got the grille carbon fiber insert. He did high gloss black in the center and on the sides, and then paint matched the black cladding here to the body. Really like the look of these wheels. Cosmos Racing, look very aggressive. These are like the Kiki design is what it says. But I like this side arrow, the side skirt extensions look pretty aggressive. Then you guys will have to let me know, what do you think of the paint on the bumper? I like the color match, I think it looks nice. And the rear diffuser is very aggressive. These are some type of overlays on the stock tail lights to get rid of that Civic look. This guy's got an STI spoiler on his, which looks pretty cool, with the OEM lip.
This one moved the other day, got boring, and then I first saw a flyer about a company, like, oh, that'll be something different.
This makes me miss my S14. I love the Koki. It's so nice. I love the angular front headlights on that over the Zenki. Pretty freaking sick. Big old front lip, front splitter. Look at this WRX, this Varis front end is freaking ridiculous. It looks so good. Carbon fiber loop. And then I like the rear side skirt carbon fiber extensions. It is unreal. You got the work wheels with a big beefy lip. super clean. This is my type of style for mods. I like the Voltex front bumper, the ETS front mount intercooler, all the piping, ARC, that's really nice. Emission motor radiator. Looks like he's got an upgraded turbo on there. Strut tower bar. Nice carbon mirrors. And I like the side skirts too. STI, rumble brakes, grand light wheels. Love this Voltex rear diffuser. That thing is sick, guys. Look at that thing. Thumbs up on that bad boy. On air ride as well. Love this carbon rear drop protector built in. Guys, let's just keep walking on around and checking out what's here. I don't want to keep the video too long. You guys will have to let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys want me to sit here and film every single car, or just kind of give you a vibe of overall what's going on? Muscle, we got a Firebird. Is that a Camaro? We got a Camaro and a Corvette. Got a nice BMW convertible over here. Got a nicer BMW M4 convertible over here. This thing would be bad. It has to have. This Corvette looks really nice from behind. It's got the big exhaust tips on it. I don't know what that is. A Volkswagen. Got a BMW, some Subaru. Mercedes, Honda Integra, or Acura Integra. All stanced out with the carbon fiber. Save one of the best for last. We got a Ferrari over here. Look at this thing, it's sick. I should let go. That's going to be it for today's video, guys. If you like this video and this type of content, hit the thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel, and let me know what your favorite car is. This Varis World Rally Blue VA WRX was my favorite car. But anyway, I'm going to go out to lunch today. It's my 41st birthday, June 20th. I'm 41. I'm getting to be an old man. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Leave me a hashtag to the end if you guys made it to the end of the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.